Hey, what's up everybody? This episode we are going to be working on putting the new neck on the bike, as well as cutting slot in the tank and then welding a patch back in there so that it fits over the new neck. Let's get started. Alright, now that I got the new neck made and welded in place, I need to make a patch to go in between this neck and that neck. Now, this is an empty cavity right here made of sheet metal, and I want to make sure that there's no water or dirt getting into that. So I'll be manufacturing a patch out of sheet metal and then putting it in here and welding it in place and sealing it up. Alright, so now that the new neck is on here, we're going to have to work on cutting into the tank, which is pretty scary, especially since I only have a wire welder with flux core. But I'm going to do my best, and I'll definitely be checking it for leaks afterwards. Let's get after it. Well, the tank's all patched up, and I'm really happy how it turned out considering I was using a flux core on a wire welder. So I'll be doing some leak tests on it later, but the next step I'll be doing to this tank will actually be to make brackets for the tank to mount it to the bike. And as always, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel for future updates. And you guys, be safe out there.